What's up guys, Hole in your HMOD Fitness. So today we are going to go after your adductors, vastus medialis, and a lot of insertions of a lot of different muscles like gracilis, sartorius, and even get a little bit of the hamstring muscles, semitendinosus, semimembranosus that attach to the tibia. So this is the setup. You just get a barbell, okay? Just it needs, you can put a little weight on it. Doesn't really matter, but what you're gonna go after is just put the barbell on the inside of your thigh. Okay, and basically you're just gonna find the spot and let it kind of roll there. And so, if you start up here a little higher, this is where you get those adductors, because adductor magnus ends kind of this midsection. So any lower is not going to get a lot of adductors, so you got to get high into the groin, and then once you get down here you hit that vastus medialis, okay, and then gracilis, sartorius kind of comes along down here, and then your hamstrings attached to the tibia here. So this section right here, it gets pretty tender. It's hard to put a ton of pressure on here, but this is where a lot of insertions are, this area right here. So it's really important to try and hammer this out. This will help with a lot of knee pain too, just because you're kind of giving a lot of slack, global slack into this knee joint. Also, you'll loosen up a lot of muscles. You'll feel pretty good. You'll be able to get a bottom of the squat a lot better, because you have a few insertions that kind of are in this junction right here. A lot of them are deep, but if you can kind of hammer out the superficial layers, you will definitely get a lot of good results. So I like to spend this whole inner thigh at least 5 minutes. I'll do like 3 minutes more in the high groin, and then you do 3 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes here, so 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, very important. This actually feels pretty good, but it does get tender up here because a lot of insertions. So there you go, guys. That's your adductors, your inner thigh. Very important for the bottom of the squat to really spread open your legs. That's how you get in a deeper squat while maintaining that upright torso. Okay, and then just in general, when you're cleaning up the hamstrings, you can get into better little flexion. You'll get rid of some knee pain. You're not going to really hammer the biceps femoris, so you won't be able to really get in better hip extension, but you're going to work on that knee flexion, give some slack into there. And then sartorius is basically when you sit like a pretzel. That's what the function of it does. Does some flexion and rotation, so forth. So clean up that area next to that vastus medialis, because a lot of stuff goes into there, and if you get really like a 5-for-1, you can kind of get in there and clean up a lot. So once again, that mid femur to the pubic bone adductors, but the mid femur below, you're getting that vastus medialis and gracilis, sartorius, and if you go a little lower, you'll get some of those hamstrings. So it's a very good one to do. Once again, you can kind of load the weight up on it, or you can just do it with the barbell. Other way to do it is take a softball and then lay on that and get the inner side of your thigh. So there you go, guys. See ya.